1936 Ford Roadster here at Unique Classic Cars. All steel body, running boards, fenders, flathead V8 power underneath the hood, has that old school hot rod sound. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Headlights, surrounds. Now, still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Now, I do want to mention on this hood, there's kind of some shadowing on it. I don't know if I can get it to show up. It's like it may have had vinyl or kind of ghost flames on it once upon a time. There, you can kind of see it. You got to look awful hard. It is black. There's a few imperfections here or there, but overall, don't get me wrong, this is a very nice looking 36 Ford. But I just want to kind of mention that about the paint. You can kind of see it. There you go. You get just right in the light. This one will still turn some heads. Be a fun one to drive. The number to call, 507-386-1726. Any questions? Artillery style wheels, wide white wall bias ply tires for that authentic old school hot rod look. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. Shaved door handles on the outside. This would be a manual convertible top, black cloth. And I will put that up so we can check out the condition of it. Interior kind of this neutral beige or shale bench seat. Seat belt's intact up front there. Very stock looking dash. I'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Of course, trunk area on this one, not a rumble seat. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. When we open the hood, this has the dual Stromberg setup. Pretty cool looking underneath there. Electric fan, it is a 12-volt system. Dual exhaust. Brakes are 80% in the front and the rear. Mentioned the manual top. And also has a manual wiper arm, kind of cool. Slight drivetrain seat. Note from the tech, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that gets driven. As we take a look down this driver's side, you can see the paint, nice gloss to it, see the reflection in it. So no major nicks, dings, or scratches on this side either. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior. All right, door panels, matching the seats, black carpeting. All the interior's in nice shape. Something else I noticed about this car, look at the travel of that seat. This seat will slide quite a bit forward and then a long ways back. So there's quite a bit of room in this car for a 36 Ford. There's no doubt about that. That seat's got some good travel range to it. A few switches I want to point out right here. This is a blinker, and you just click it to the left. The blinker goes on. Actually has an indicator behind the dash right there. If I click that switch to the left again, it'll cancel the blinker. Same thing works to the right. Headlights, this switch right here, high and low beam. Pretty slick. And this is just a little interior light underneath. Push button start and choke. So what we want to do is flip the ignition switch up. Sorry about the focus there. Then we're going to come over to that white button. This is a 3-speed manual, by the way. And that flatty fires right up. Make sure we're neutral. Listen to that. Like I said, how about some old school flatty sound? Side exiting exhaust right in front of the rear wheel. That sounds good. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm gonna get one of these hood panels open so we can take a peek at that engine bay quick. I'll get that convertible top up too, and we'll check out the condition of that. Like I said, at the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, I got them both open. They have the nice rubber corner protectors. This is set up the way it's supposed to be. So if you're at a show and you want to display this engine, and it's worth having both of them because I want to show you this. Check out this Eddie Meyer Hollywood intake manifold. How cool is that? There's that dual Stromberg setup. Like I said, the old school hot rod looking engine bay and sound. Baby runs smooth. Mentioned the electric fan. Does have Fenton headers. I don't know if you can see those down in there or not. Fenton headers. And again, true dual exhaust. Cool setup. Good sound, good look. I think this one will take home some trophies. You want to show it at your local shows. Roll-ins or cruise-ins. All right. Let me pause that one more time. I'm going to get that convertible pop-up. I want to show you the condition of that. And convertible top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. There's no side glass. So black fabric, it's like new. Very nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. Nice tight fit. It's easy if two people fold it up, by the way. One on each side. You could probably get by with one person doing it from in the car, but very simple with two. Then just a couple wing nuts to tighten it up here so it's firm above that windshield. No surprises there. Good looking car. Love that flathead sound. Looks underneath there. 1936 Ford Roadster, all steel, baby. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the stance and look at that from the side. Beautiful.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1936 Ford Roadster. As you can see, we've got a little different view today because this car doesn't have door windows, so the camera is attached to the roof. The convertible soft top, which we do have up today, of course. This is a manual transmission right here on the floor. A lovely sounding convertible. Beautifully done inside and out. Black paint looking great. Bench seat interior. Our fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank. Oil pressure about 30 to 40 psi. Now the battery gauge is completely topped out. I wouldn't trust that one. Temperature gauge is near the middle of the gauge. And our speedometer shows 40 miles an hour. That appears to be correct. Nice feel on the road. Definitely a sporty feel. A little bit of slack in the steering on this car. Not enough to affect performance. This car definitely has the look. Now if we had the top down, you wouldn't be hearing those little creaks. That is because the top is up and the wind is catching the top. So if you're hearing any little noises, that's just the wind catching the top. The nature of having a Roadster with the top up. corners beautifully, nice and flat. The look of the classic 36 with some of the performance of a modern vehicle. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.